Hello friends, my name is Harsh. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session we will discuss about how we can create the ASP.NET Core React project, and for that purpose we will be using the Visual Studio Code and the .NET commands. So I have already created a ASP.NET folder in my desktop. So I will be using this folder to create the React project. I'm just opening the VS Code and just drag and drop this ASP.NET, and here I'm just creating a new folder. So let's say the folder name is React. In the previous video I already showed you how to create the Angular project, how to create the console app, the dashboard app, the MVC and the core web app also. Now in this video we will be discussing about how we can create the ASP.NET projects using React. So I'm just doing the right click, open in integrated terminal. So here we can just use the command, let's say .NET new, and we can see this 4 template along with the short names. If you want to see the list of all the template, we can just write .NET new and list. So we can see all the template name along with the short name. So as we want to create the ASP.NET Core with React.js, so we can just write a command .NET new and then React. Once we run this command, it will create the React project, and you see like we have this React which is having the client app, and in this client app we have the package.json which contain the React project. These are basically the development dependencies, and these are the various commands we have which we are using in React.js. And you see the React and React DOM 18 version is installed in this. And then we have the controller. These are all the ASP.NET Core folders like the controller, obj, pages, properties along with some files. I just want to run this project, so I can just say .NET run. So once I run this command .NET run, it will run the project. So this command will take some time, so we just need to wait for some time. This command basically create a server along with the port number, and once the server along with the port number is created, we can go in the browser and we can see the output. And as we have already seen, we are using the latest version, the latest React is installed, which we have just seen, the package.json 18.2. It means we are using the very latest React in this project. And also you see the SRC folder, because this React is based on components, so we can see the components also. We have the app.js, so this is also a component, and this is basically the class component because they have just written this export default class. Along with that we have this layout.js, this is also the class component. Then we have this home, this is also the class, the fetch data which is also the class component, the counter.js. Now you can see guys, we just got this localhost :717. So I'm just going into this, and you see launching the SPA proxy. The page will automatically redirect to this. If not, we can just click on this. So it will take some time because we have just run the app. So we can just wait for some time and we can see the output. So it might take some more time, so we can just wait for it. So you see like we have this localhost along with the port number, and we have this navigation bar which is having this React message, the home, counter, fetch, data. These are the different links we have. Also we have this hello world message which is coming from the home component, so we can just go into the home.js, and let's say I just want to display the programming with Harsh, so I'm just removing everything whatever I have inside this, keeping the h1 and then the message programming with Harsh. Going into the browser and you can see the same here, the programming with Harsh. So this is how we can create the ASP.NET Core project using React, and we just have used the .NET commands. We can also use Visual Studio, which I have already installed. So we can just open the Visual Studio, we can just right click, create a new project, the template using React, and then we can run the project and we can see the output in the browser. In this video mainly we have seen how we can use the .NET commands, but we can also use the Visual Studio and we can create the project. So hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.